The last one is a binomial expansion only to the third power. So it's gonna be a little less cumbersome here. 1, 3, 3, 1. So there's only 4 terms. We're not raising to as high a power, which is why we have a little bit more space, I guess. We can come in and do that. The first term is 5x, but it's raised to the third power, and we'll have to deal with that. I guess we can deal with it now. 1 times anything can be ignored because it's 1 times anything. But the 5 to the third power, I see people forget that. They'll write this as a 5x to the third. It's not the case. 5 to the third is 125. The x is, in fact, to the third power. Now that's a plus, but this now is a 5x squared, but you've got this -1 that shows up here. Well, that's going to have an overwhelming effect on the bottom line here. It's going to basically turn this, instead of a plus, it's going to become a minus. But it's just a 1 times a 3 times a 5 squared. Now 5 squared, remember, is 25, and we have x squared. So 25 times 3 is 75 times -1 is a negative 75, and it's an x squared. Okay, 5x cubed, 5x squared. This is just a 5x now to the first power. This -1 showed up. It is to the first power. The previously was to the 0. So now I've got a -1, but it's squared. So the 5 is not to a power, it's to the first. So I can do a 5 times 3, that's 15. But what used to be a negative, when you square it, becomes a positive. So this is just plus 15x. Last one here, there's no 5x term anymore. It's just a -1 to the third power, which just basically means it's a -1. The value to an odd power remains negative. So there you have it.